Hello students, welcome to another session of this Conic sections. In the last two classes, we discussed circle and equation of parabola and some problems. In this session, we will be solving few more simple examples on the parabola. So don't be afraid. It's a very simple chapter. First, we will clear all the basic concepts and then we take the advanced problems. So in the last session, what I mentioned is length of latest rectum of a parabola is 4a. Maybe in your mind you have how it is 4a. So let us try to understand. Consider this parabola and this is the directrix. So we know that O is the center of, means this O is the center point of this focus and the point R. Means the distance of the directrix from the origin and the distance of the point focus is always AA. The coordinates of f are a comma 0 and the equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. Means from here to here it is a units to the left of origin. So that is why RF is 2a. Now see here, latest rectum is a line segment passing through the focus perpendicular to the axis and ends on the parabola. So here AB is the latest rectum. Now by the definition of parabola, AF is equals to AQ. As I mentioned, always AF is equals to AQ by the definition of parabola. Yes. So AF is equals to AQ. But AQ is what? AQ is nothing equal to RF because this is a rectangle. AF RQ is a rectangle. So AQ is equal to RF. So I write in place of AQ RF. But RF I mentioned it is 2A. So RF is 2A. So RF is 2A means AF is also 2A. Okay. Now we want AB. AB is the latest rectum. Okay. So AB is 2 times AF. Okay. Now what is your AF? AF is 2A. So 2 into 2, it's a 4A. This is how the length of latest rectum is always 4A. So remember this. Length of latest rectum of a parabola is always equal to 4A. Yes. Here are some simple examples. Find the equation of the parabola with given conditions. You are given some conditions. Focus has to be 6 comma 0 and directrix is x equal to minus 6. Remember this, focus is 6 comma 0 means position, look whether it is on positive x-axis, positive y-axis or negative x-axis, negative y-axis. So 6 comma 0 means it is on positive x-axis. So ultimately directrix is on the other side of the origin. So a comma 0 means 6 comma 0, x equal to minus a. So here a is equal to 6 and focus is being on positive x-axis. So axis is the positive x-axis. Remember this. So equation of the parabola with focus at a comma 0, directrix x equal to minus a, that is minus 6, is, we know that it's a y square equals to 4ax. And what is your a? A is 6. So 4 into 6, that's 24x. Okay. Consider another example. You are given focus as 0 comma minus 3 and directrix as y equal to 3. Look at the position. Position is 0 comma minus 3 means it is on negative y-axis and directrix is y is equal to 3. So focus, compare this with 0 comma minus a. So 0 comma minus a means a is 3 here. So definitely that implies x axis is on the negative y-axis, looking at this. So if axis is the negative y-axis, then its equation is given by x square equals to minus 4ay. So a is what? A is 3. So minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12x. Remember, one more example. Vertex is given as 0, 0 and focus is 3, comma 0. So vertex is at origin and focus is again on the positive x-axis. So here A is 3 here. Here A is 3 and axis is positive x-axis. So what is the equation then? Equation of the parabola with vertex at origin and a equal to 3 is y square equal to 4ax. So y square equal to 4 into 3, that is 12x. Yes. One more example. Vertex is 0, comma 0 and focus is minus 2, comma 0. So what is the position of focus? Focus is on negative x-axis. So A is 2 here and axis is negative x-axis. So what is the equation of the parabola with vertex at 0, comma 0 and focus on negative x-axis is y square equal to minus 4ax. So y square equal to minus 4ax. So a is 2 here, 4 into 2 is 8x. Yes, very simple. Next, one more question. Vertex is 0, comma 0 and the parabola passing through the point 2, comma 3 and axis is along x-axis. Okay, look at this. Vertex is at origin and it passed through 2, comma 3 and axis is along x-axis. So the parabola passing through 2, comma 3 means first quadrant. Let me show it in the form of a diagram. Okay. So we'll try to understand with the help of a diagram. Vertex is at the origin. So this is the position of the vertex. Okay, this is the x-axis, y-axis. The parabola is passing through 2, comma 3. So vertex means a parabola touches or intersects the axis at origin. So definitely the parabola has to pass through 2, comma 3 means it must be like this. Because you are given x-axis is the axis. So it can be positive x-axis, not negative x-axis, but not mentioned means look at the condition. It is passing through 2, comma 3 and vertex is at origin and its axis is x-axis. So this is the only case. It will not be like this because it is passing through 2, comma 3. So what is the equation then? So yes, here is the case. So let us assume that the equation of the parabola is in the form of y square equal to 4ax. You are given that this parabola passes through the point 2, comma 3. If any curve passes through some point, then that point satisfies the equation. So here also this parabola passes through the point 2, comma 3. So 2, comma 3 satisfies this equation. So replace y as 3 and x as 2. So 3 square equal to 4a into 2. So 4, that is 9 equal to 4a into 2 and we are interested in 4a. So from this 4a is 9 by 2. So substitute 4a as 9 by 2. So what we'll get? The equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax and 4a is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2x. Yes. One more question. vertex is 0 0 and passing through the point 5 comma 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Look at this. In the previous case, x-axis was the axis, means axis is along x-axis. Here, axis is along y-axis. Again, we'll try to understand. Yes, look at this. This will be the case. Curve is symmetrical about y-axis and it passes through the first quadrant, that is 5 comma 2. So this is the case. So focus is 0 comma a and directrix is y is equal to minus a. Vertex is that origin. The curve is passing through 5 comma 2. So what will be the equation of this parabola? It is x square equal to 4ay. So let us assume that the equation of the parabola be x square equal to 4ay. So it passes through point 5 comma 2. So 5 comma 2 satisfies this equation. So 5 square equal to 4a into 2. So what is the value of 4a? You need to find. So 5 square is 25. It is 4a into 2. And I want 4a. Okay. So 4a is 25 by 2. So substitute in place of 4a. So equation of the parabola is x square equal to 25 by 2. X square equal to 25 by 2 into y. Okay, no need to obtain the value of a. We want simply 4a value. So directly we'll get here. Yes. So this is all about parabola. In the next session, we will solve or we will discuss another conic section, that is ellipse. The videos or the classes related with conic sections will available in the playlist of the channel named conic section. So please go through that. So I wish you happy learning. Take care and bye bye.